This is another square root problem. To solve this kind of questions, you must find a pattern inside the problem. So, let's find the hidden pattern and solve this question. This equation can also be written as square root 1998 can also be written as 1991 minus 1 square plus this is also equals to 4 times of 1999, so it becomes 4 times 1999. So to further simplify it, if x is equals to 1999, so the equation becomes square root, this is x minus 1 to power 2 plus 4 multiply x. For x square minus 1, a minus b to square is equals to a square plus b square minus 2ab. Use it, this becomes x square plus 1 minus 2x plus 4x. 4x minus 2x is 2x, so this becomes square root x square plus 1 plus 2x. This is further equals to, as we know that a plus b to square is equals to a square plus b square plus 2ab. So this becomes square root x plus 1 to square. The square cancel square root, so this becomes x plus 1, where x equals to 1999. So this becomes 1999 plus 1, that is equals to 2000. So 2000 is our answer.